Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today we're gonna be talking about my instant inches, okay? I had a silk press for about a week. I really wanted some inches and I didn't want to sew in. So I opted for these beautiful raw clip-ins. So these, yes, are raw clip-ins and they look so good. They definitely match my natural hair. These are installed in between my natural hair. So the blend is unclockable. The texture matches. It looks so good. It's not tangling. It's not shedding. And I only needed one set of clip-ins to achieve this look. So if you guys want more information to see how I installed these, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna give you a little look into my hair. Literally every year, I feel like I have to cut my hair. Like it grows out, but then my ends start breaking really, really bad. I don't know why, you guys. I don't know if it's like, I don't know what I'm doing to my hair. My hair grows really well, but eventually I always have to cut it off. And I'm not sure why. I thought like my iron or something was deficient, but it's not. My hair just, I don't know, I guess it's naturally getting thinner as I've gotten older, but I did give it a nice cut. The only thing with my hair is that I just feel like it's so thin. I'll turn around so you guys can see it. So this is the back of my hair, and the thing that I struggle with my hair is that to me, it's very thin. But to me, it's definitely not as thick as I would want it. I'm definitely aware we're supposed to lose between 50 and 100 strands a day, but I swear it feels like my hair sheds way more than that. Lately, I've been wearing my natural hair more often because I don't know, y'all. I don't know if it's just because I've gotten older, like life is lifing and I get stressed and I really don't want to deal with my hair. I've honestly been liking the low maintenance of my real hair. So I'm supposed to be going out with my cousins and I wanted a different look, but I didn't want to do like a wig or a sew-in. I just don't have the time and the patience right now. So I decided on some clip-ins. So I have these clip-ins from Ondibu hair. And I know you guys have heard of them. I've worked with them before. They have awesome, awesome raw version hair, okay? It's raw. The clip-ins I'm using today is the Indian wavy curly, okay? And I have 2 sets in 20 inches, but I think I'm only gonna use 1 set. This is how the beautiful hair comes. And you guys know, this is raw hair. You can look at this and tell that that is some gorgeous raw hair. Let's see if it has the raw hair smell. Yep, that smell that I love. Beautiful, beautiful raw hair. Y'all, I'm just so in love with this texture. Get the seamless wefts. They are super flat. Look how flat that is. Look at that. So these are gonna be super lightweight, which is what I need because I'm definitely having issues with shedding. So I feel like a lighter option is definitely gonna be awesome for my hair because I am gonna put these clip-ins in between my hair. So each set comes with 1, why isn't my camera focusing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 pieces, okay? You get 7 pieces, and y'all, I'm so thirsty to put these in. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear my clip-ins straight. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and flat iron them before I even install them, just to make it easier. And I'm just gonna brush it out, give it a nice little detangle. So the flat iron I'm using is my Babyless Pro. You guys know this is my baby. And this is what I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna run it through this hair. And as you guys can see, look how straight it's getting. Very beautiful, and it matches my texture like on point. Now I am gonna go back probably and color these jet black. Even though they still look really good, you kind of can't tell, but I'm just picky like that, and my hair is so black, I always have to color my extensions. Quick tip, if your extensions are the exact same color as your hair, they unclockable. Like, nobody's gonna know. Okay, you guys, so I'm done straightening. So we're gonna go ahead and install. So I'm gonna take my iron curler. These are my favorite curling irons. And I'm just gonna put big curls all over. If you're someone that wants tight curls, you can definitely use a smaller curling iron, but this one gives me that nice wrap look. That's why I went for this size. All right, y'all, so this is what we're looking like. What I'm gonna do is just take my fingers and take everything apart. All right, you guys, so I am done installing them. And I kind of swooped them to the side. It definitely gives me that thickness and that length. It feels just like my hair, so lightweight. And I have the most sensitive scalp. I don't feel anything. Like, they're very light. They blend seamlessly, and the density, I don't know, you guys, it just matches so good. It's just so full. So again, you guys, these are from Ondibu Hair. This is their raw Indian wavy curly, straightened and curled. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. Get your hand on some of these clip-ins. This is something you want to have in your collection just for when you want a more natural, subtle look. Thanks so much for watching again, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.